Okay, we've had SATS, which is Echostar Corporation, in our watch list for several weeks. It's been bouncing around. Again, we've been keeping an eye on seeing where it's going to find a bottom, where it's going to swing back up. If you'd like to hear our previous due diligence and some of the reasons we like Echostar in general, you can view the previous video where we've done some due diligence on Echostar, some of the things we like about it. We're going to look at, they announced a merger with Dish Networks back in July, around July 5th. And I want to look at those charts for Dish and SATS. I think there might be a potential merger arbitrage type opportunity. Dish also popped up when I was looking at puts. We'll look at our puts ROIC Google sheet towards the end of this session. And Dish popped up, and so I wanted to take a look and see if there was an opportunity to possibly sell puts on that. And I saw, again, this potential what I think might be a merger acquisition type of arbitrage type of deal. So I'm going to jump over to the SATS FinBiz profile. Again, you can click on those links in our notes. And you could see, SATS had been coming down. It bounced, with that exuberant run after the Fed interest rate decision. So we didn't really want to chase it there. You can see it broke down a little bit below 14, touched that lower trend line in the 13s, and then bounced pretty exuberantly, broke above its moving average. What I wanted to look at is this when they announced their merger, and you can go down in the news in either the SATS or the Dish news feed in FinBiz and find the merger announcement where they're talking about that. It says, I believe, that Dish is going to own about 69% of the combined company, which is something I wanted to take into consideration. So you see, after they announced this merger, SATS had a nice run. They had positive earnings, but then it declined, probably a guidance issue. And then it bottomed, recently right before the Fed interest rate decision. So they're profitable. Again, number of reasons. They have very little debt. Then I want to also look at Dish. So here's the profile for Dish Network. You can see it's very similar. See the bounce that it had was much smaller. It's got some resistance at the moving average. Can also see that the price of Dish is much less. So a couple ways we can play this merger, either with SATS or with Dish. It doesn't look like Dish jumped up quite as exuberantly as did SATS, so it might be better opportunity to buy Dish. And again, the Dish shareholders are apparently going to own like 69% of the combined company. You can see after the merger was announced, it did run up, hit that resistance. Then they had earnings. It looks like a positive surprise. But again, overall guidance and market sentiment through September and October was generally negative. So again, it looks like, we've got a bottom and a swing back up in both Dish and SATS. So again, you could probably choose either one of these two. Again, Dish is much lower price than SATS, about half the price, less than half the price. And it does not look like it's reacting quite as dramatically to the recent exuberance. One of the things I don't like about Dish in general is their high debt. So if this merger does not go through, holding Dish might be less attractive than holding SATS. So we're going to keep an eye on both of these. And again, you can choose whichever one you prefer, think is a better deal given this potential merger. Welcome, Mad Max Beyond Thunderbone. Glad to see you in the live chat again today. So we can also look at those charts in Webull. We look at our real-time watch list in Webull. Again, you see that, dramatic run up in Dish just recently after the Fed interest rate decision. You can, see it's got a peak up in the 8s. So again, almost a 2-to-1. If we get a little bit of a pullback back to that 460 level, that might be attractive. And we've been watching SATS for a while. Again, it bottomed at 1321, ran up pretty quickly. So, anywhere around 1360 or below is attractive. And you can see it ran up very quickly after that Fed interest rate decision. So again, might be a little bit of an arbitrage opportunity with Dish versus SATS. And again, whichever one you find more attractive. I don't like really the business model in general of Dish Networks. I think they missed opportunities years ago, and I could talk about that in more detail at some point. So I like the combined company. I think there's opportunities with that, and when they close the merger, that might provide a pop in both of them. And again, I believe if you own Dish, you'll get a certain number of shares of the combined company. I think it's 69%. It's like 0.72 of an Echostar share, and you can read that in the news as well. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.